Violence continues unabated in Manipur. On day two, also, drone dropped arms and ammunition, drone dropped grenades and bombs, continue to destroy properties and injure people. In the latest, India Reserve Battalion bunkers were targeted allegedly by militants who are from the tribal communities. That is the suspicion. Once again, the incident has happened in Imphal West. If you recall, 48 hours ago, also there was an incident where at least two people lost their lives and five were injured when in a western Imphal village, grenades were dropped from aerial dropped grenades, destroyed villages, set them on fire, and this has again been used in the western part of Imphal. The Indian Reserve Battalion bunkers were targeted, but it also killed at least one person. Now, what the government there is saying, and one of the BJP MLAs have in fact written to the Union Home Ministry saying that you deployed more than 60,000 paramilitary troops, but it is just not working. It is not bringing peace to the region. The Kuki groups are up in arms against the government of the Bharatiya Janata Party there, and Biren Singh constantly being criticized by the tribal groups there for his approach towards the fragile situation in Manipur. On the other hand, the Manipur government is criticizing the tribal groups for taking or allowing armed militia to take over, issues which were between two communities. Now, with these drone dropped grenades becoming an almost daily occurrence because it has happened back to back for 2 days, it's an extremely sensitive situation right now. This is being considered as precise targeting of areas where the militant groups feel that the areas are hostile towards them. That it is happening in Imphal West near the capital city is also leading to a lot of concern. Ministry of Home Affairs is aware of the situation and it is in constant communication with the state government. And yes, it is correct that the number of casualties that you were seeing earlier compared to that, the number of casualties, the number of injuries have gone down. But there's no denying that life is far from normal in Manipur at the moment. And these drone droppings, it seems to have been inspired by what is happening in theaters of war across the world, what's happening on the Russia-Ukraine front, for example. That seems to be the inspiration. But what police officials are pointing out that this was supposed to be an insurgency, not a warlike situation. So this kind of warlike tactics getting used for a situation where civilians are involved is extremely dangerous, and there are now steps being formulated as to what you can really do to safeguard the civilian population specifically from these drone dropped grenades that seems to have become the latest weapon in the hands of the militia.